Imagine fear, worry, doubt, and insecurity living in your house, dragging you down, stealing your joy, and taking your peace. That may be the way it's been, but this can be a new day. It's time to do some house cleaning. You need to evict some tenants that have been living in your mind. The good news is, you're in charge. They may seem bigger, stronger, more powerful, but you determine what stays in your mind. Tell fear, you're evicted, you're not welcome here anymore. I'm not living afraid of what might happen. My future is in God's hands. Nothing can stand against him. Tell worry, you've been with me long enough. I'm sorry, you've lost your lease. Tell doubt, your time is up. I've got some new rules. You have to go. Tell insecurity, sorry, no more place for you. You're out of here. See you, not going to be you. Remember, you have the power to decide what stays in your mind. Fill it with God's promises, His love, and His peace. When you do, fear, worry, doubt, and insecurity won't stand a chance. Let today be the day you take control. Kick out fear and worry. Embrace the future God has planned for you. Amen.